It's a VEDA video, day 27. I feel quite excited that we're getting towards the end of April. And it's early morning here, and Ellen and I have come for a walk to the beach. Oh, Ellen was bicycling, but she's given up. Is it hard on this sand?
Yep.
Oh, it doesn't really work. This is a balance bike. So, for those of you not in the know, in the toddler world of cool stuff, it's a bike that has no pedals. And she learns to ride a bike basically without stabilizers, which is pretty damn cool.
That sounds like a mystery.
It does. I'm collecting beach glass. I found my first piece, and I kind of included this in a previous video but didn't really talk about it. This stuff is like, it's a bit funny really because it's just junk. It's actually rubbish, I guess, when you think about it. But yeah, I have heaps of it. My whole house is filled with beach glass. And I walk on the beach like this, especially when the tide is out like this. It's gorgeous. This is a different part of the beach. And I collect beach glass. Are they? I know it's a bit cold in it. Should we turn around and walk the other way so we're not in the wind? Let's walk this way. It's a bit deceptive today. It's Sandown Pier behind me. And yeah, we just thought we'd come out for a quick walk this morning because this weather, it was all nice blue skies, but it's kind of clouding over a bit since even we came out. Oh, another piece. Another piece. Yeah, it's not supposed to hold, so we figured we'd come out early, get some time on the beach, and then head home and figure out our plan for today from there. Oh, dogs. Dogs aren't allowed on this beach from 1st of May until the end of September because it's a huge tourist beach. If you look up here, there's all beach huts and beach cafes and things, and can really feel that we're coming into the summer season because all the cafes and everything are all like having their windows washed and painting, and everybody's restocking stuff. It's really quite cool. It feels quite hopeful and positive that we might have a summer to come.
Yes, summer.
Summer, we love summer, don't we?
Yeah, that means we can play.
And this beach, actually this next section of beach that we're about to come to, the one right behind over here, is where Ellen and I spent nearly all of last summer playing on the beach and in the sea. And yeah, that's about it.
Can I say it is VEDA Day?
Can you say it what?
VEDA Day.
It's VEDA Day. You want to say it's VEDA Day?
It's VEDA Day number 5.
Number 5? Are you going to do a VEDA?
Yeah.
Ellen VEDA.
And we are here at the beach, and I can see like the footprints.
You can. It's like a mystery.
And I don't know who the footprints they are. And
They're quite big.
I got just 2 wheels.
You have just got 2 wheels. You're such a big girl.
And I need to stabilise. And I haven't got any stabilisers.
No, because you're a big girl. Oh, here she goes. So, yeah, short and sweet-ish from me today. And, oh God, it looks amazing over there. Beautiful rays coming down, glittering sea. So lucky to live where we live. Yeah, so happy Saturday. Have a great weekend. And I'm going to be back tomorrow. I'm trying to keep my video energy conserved because I'm doing 2... Oh, there's a piece of beach glass. Oh, no, it's a stone. Oh, I hate when that happens. Yeah, because I'm doing 2 video projects and now I've released my new video series yesterday. I don't want to overkill. So,
Can I do
say goodbye.
Hello.
Say goodbye and we'll do your own video.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Good girl. So, bye from us.
VEDA Day number 20.
26.
26. And I'm here with Mummy, Minnie, my Mickey, my Susan, my Tiger. Hi. And Keith.
And we're just having a walk on the beach?
Yeah, a little walk on the